Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare Preventive Care Rewards, program guide step by step clearly. To get started with activating your Medicare Preventive Care Rewards, first, make sure you are enrolled in a Medicare plan that offers preventive care benefits. Next, review the specific preventive services covered by your plan. Look for services such as annual wellness visits, screenings, and vaccinations. Once you know what services are available, schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider. Make sure to inform them that you are seeking preventive care services. During your visit, ensure that you receive the appropriate screenings or evaluations. Keep a record of your appointments and any tests performed. After your preventive care visit, check with your insurance provider to confirm that your services are covered. This confirmation is essential for activating your rewards. Once your services are confirmed, navigate to your Medicare plan's online portal or app. Log in using your member credentials to access your account. Look for a section dedicated to rewards or preventive care incentives. Follow the prompts provided to apply for your rewards. You may need to submit documentation of your completed preventive care services. After submitting your application, monitor your account for updates on your rewards status. Once activated, your rewards can often be used for health-related purchases or services. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact your plan's customer service for assistance. By staying proactive about your health and understanding your benefits, you can maximize your Medicare Preventive Care Rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.